Hello everyone, this is Anil Kumar. In the last video, we have discussed about configuring the Apache Derby database, and we were able to create a table and insert the data. We have inserted two rows with ID 101 and 102. So, our task is to actually create a JDBC application and to fetch the data and display in the console. So let me create a new project. What is the project that we normally create? That is the Maven project. So in the Maven project, so I am taking this as a Maven archetype quick start. I am not choosing any web app here. I'm choosing a normal standalone application, that is a quick start, because JDBC Spring JDBC can work as a standalone, and also we can have a MEC application where we can create DAOs and all. Right now I am choosing only a standalone. So com dot this is the group ID, this is a kind of package name. Artifact ID, this is our project name, right? So maybe Spring JDBC demo. So Spring JDBC demo. In this, I'm again clicking on the finish. So it is giving the Maven will give the necessary artifacts to create our project. So see, right now I am not creating any Spring JDBC in this particular video. I will try to create a normal JDBC. We will see the pain points of what to while writing the JDBC code, and how Spring JDBC overcome those particular problems. We will see. Okay, we have an app.java already there. So for a hello world. So what I'm doing here is, so let me open the pom.xml. So for pom.xml, I think nothing is there. Okay. So for writing the JDBC, I think we know the stuff, right? We need to get a connection. We need to load the driver, get the connection, results at all those stuff. Let me start writing that tedious code. Okay. String some SQL. I'm writing a simple select query. Select ID comma name from app underscore user, that is the table name, right? So I'm just writing the SQL statement. That's what we have actually fetched the data, right, from here. So for connecting the database in the JDBC, we need a URL. So string URL. What is our URL? We already talked about that URL, right? What is the URL that we have connected? The URL is JDBC Derby localhost 1527. So this is the URL that we need to connect where this particular table is existing, app.user. And we need to create a connection, right? How we will create a connection? We have a class called driver manager dot get connection. Okay, driver manager dot get connection with the URL, right? With the URL, this is the URL that we need to connect. It is asking to import and also a try catch. This is the kind of tedious things that we need to do. So that's what I'm actually, I can simply write Spring JDBC code straight away and get the things done in a couple of steps, but we will try to see the difficulties in the normal JDBC. Driver manager dot get connection. Once we get the connection, it will return a connection object, right? Connection. and I think we need to import this one as well. Java.sql dot connection dot something we need to take the prepared statement to execute our SQL query. Prepared state prepare statement. Prepare statement. We will pass the SQL over here. So it will return your prepare statement object. Prepare statement. So we need to import this prepare statement as well. So statement dot execute query. Statement dot we need to execute the query to get the result set. Right? This is the step that we need to do. Result set. Probably I will go a bit faster so that I think we will more concentrate on our Spring JDBC stuff. While rs dot next, we need to loop it through this result set, right? So rs dot get what we are getting, get id and get name. Maybe I will print only get string of name and column index. It will return two rows, so ideally it has to return the two names as well. So I'm just trying to print this name, whatever it is I'm getting here. Mode println. I'm just printing these names in the console. So that's it. Let me execute this query, whether I can able to run this particular application or not, and we'll see the output. Click on run. Boom. Usually our familiar exception, no suitable driver is found. So we need to have a driver in place, right? So that for the driver, what we need to do, we need to update the pom.xml in order to load those particular drivers. The drivers that is needed for to configure this particular application I already listed down here. These are the two dependencies for Apache Derby has provided. So these two things need to be added as a dependencies in order to execute this particular application. So I think what it is saying is, I think I need to represent the version as well here. Yeah, let me see whether this application I'm using the Apache Derby is the network server related jar file. If you see, if you open the Maven dependencies, those two Derby jars being imported after doing these dependencies. So let me run this application now to see. Yeah, beautiful. So we were able to fetch these two database related app user data in the Java console through a normal JDBC. For that, I think we need to manually write all this particular code. So let us convert this particular JDBC code to Spring JDBC. How we can convert, we will see in our next video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel.